Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, shares and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins, ang 50 pesita of spin. Mayroong taon na 1975. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang informasyon tungkol dito sa barya ito guys ng spin. The 1975 Spanish 50 pesitas coin featuring King Juan Carlos I is a notable feature among collectors. Auction records for these coins vary based on condition, rarity, and market demand. Auction records in valuable auction, a 1975 Spain 50 pesitas coin was listed with an estimated value between $15 up to $95. The coin was described as being in super condition. In eBay listing, a 1975 spin 50 pesitas coin was offered for $2.81. The listing allowed for these offers, indicating flexibility in the final sale price. MShop listing, a 1975 50 pesitas coin graded NGC MS65 was listed as a top graded coin by NGC. The exact sale price was not specified. Factors influencing the auction prices: conditions, coins in a mint or error, coins in a mint or near mint condition, ME65 command higher prices. Grading, professional grading by the organizations like NGC adds a credibility and can increase the value. Rarity, specific mint years or errors can make a coin more desirable. Market demand, collectors' interest fluctuates, affecting auction outcomes. For this most accurate and current auction records, consulting specialized numismatics auction houses or database is recommended. The sources provide details information on the recent sales and market trends for the 1975 Spanish 50 pesitas coins. The 50 pesitas coins from Spain, minted in 1975, holds historical significance as it was among the first coins to feature King Juan Carlos I following the end of Francisco Franco's regime. Design and specification: Obverse design. The front side of the coin displays a left-facing portrait of King Juan Carlos I, symbolizing the transition to his reign. Reverse. The back side features Spanish coat of arms, which includes a crowned shield flanked by the pillars of Hercules, with the denomination of 50 petas inscribed. The composition: the coin is made of copper nickel, weight 12.5 grams, and the diameter of 30 mm. And the mintage details: the 1975 50 pesitas coins were produced with a different star numbers, indicating the cultural year of minting. 1975, 4,400,000 coins were minted. In 1978, 17,555,000 coins were minted. In 1979, 33 million coins were minted. Collectability and the values. The value of these coins varies based on their condition and rarity. As of recent assessment, coins in a very fine condition may be valued around 9.95 euros. The historical context. The issuance of these coins marked Spain's transition from dictatorship to monarchy under King Juan Carlos I. The depiction of the new monarchs signified a shift towards democracy and modernization in Spain. For collectors and historians, the 1975 50 pesetas coins represents a pivotal moment in Spanish history, reflecting both political change and numismatic evolution. So yun guys, ang napakagandang impormasyon guys tungkol dito sa ating coins ng Espanya. Maraming salamat sa nanonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.